Mental health includes more than just psychological disorders. May is Mental Health Awareness Month, and the most important thing that you need to know about that is the fact that mental health incorporates a lot of things, particularly things that have to do with the way that you handle stress, the way that you process information, and the way that you deal with the world that is around you and deal with your internal feelings and emotions. Your mental health could have an effect on what happens in your court case, especially when you start looking at things like family law cases and timesharing and how the custody arrangement of your children will go. Now, under most circumstances, just because you have something going on emotionally and psychologically, you're not just going to outright lose your children. However, if you are mentally unstable or you're not taking care of your mental health, and especially if you have some sort of severe psychological disorder, it could put you in a situation where you may not have as much of free access situation to your children as you would like. Particularly if there are circumstances where one of the parents in a paternity case or a divorce case or any other case that has to do with time sharing or custody arrangements, if one of them has psychological disorders that clearly present a circumstance that make them a potential threat to the children, they could harm themselves or someone else, that could very well lead to a circumstance where access will be limited and you'll be looking at supervised visitation. Things for you to remember and to take away during the month of May when you're looking at mental health awareness is to make sure that you have a healthy outlet for your feelings and your emotions, and just to make sure that you are taking care of yourself. Everybody has a whole array of emotions and experiences that they go through, and it's okay to be stressed. It's okay to need to take a break. But what is not okay is for you to allow your emotions to get out of control and you deal in an inappropriate manner with the rest of the world. That can lead you to a very heated situation and into a pot of hot water. I'm attorney Marcus Sermons from Sermons Law, and this has been another episode of Interesting Lawyer Stuff.